Ok, oyo ezali frigo, eza mulai. Oyo frigo na ngai. Yango bomoni frigo. Pembeni ya frigo toza na cuisinière na ngai. You have seen the fridge. Next to the fridge there is a cooker. This is the cooker. I have something else next to the cooker. You are about to see it. Cuisinière en salité. The cooker is dirty. Pembeni ya cuisinière tomoni maki. Inside, next to the cooker, we see eggs. Inside this blue bag, you'll see some egg. The camera will shake a little bit. Kamera ekoningana muke po nalakisa bino maki. That's egg. Ben, nasilisi sikoyo nalingi nabima nakende kosomba ordinateur. I am finished. Now I am about to go buy a computer. Naza sikoyo libanda nazali kozela bus. I am now outside. I am waiting for the bus. Oyo ezali papier collant. This is tape. Nasalelaka yango po nakobamba telephone na mur. I use it to stick my phone on the wall. Because nasalelaka telephone po nako filme. Because I use the phone to record. Thank you. Nazali kozela bus. I am waiting for the bus. My first vlog, so you will be with me from here until I get the computer. Maybe I'll buy a new hat. Maybe what else? A shirt. I will also get my clothes from dry cleaner. Okay.